guys, it's your girl Simply Lisi, and I'm back with you guys today with another makeup video. So today, I'm pretty sure you already seen the title, but today I am reviewing the new Fenty Mattemoiselle, I believe it is. I'm not even sure, y'all. Yeah, the new Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle collection. I only got 3. I think she had about like 12 or 10, don't quote me, but let's just say she had a lot of like different colors. I seen oranges, blues, what else, pinks. Like, she went all out. So I just bought 3 colors that I personally liked, and I do have one color that's a little out of the box, just to, you know, get out of my element. So I'm gonna swatch, and I'm about to tell y'all if this collection is like a yay or a nay. So y'all just keep watching. So yeah, guys, these are the packaging. Let me just show y'all like this so y'all can actually see like how big or how medium sized they are. So first, let's just talk about pricing. The pricing was $18, 18 US dollars each, which honestly isn't that bad. A MAC lipstick, like a regular tube lipstick, is $17, so I'm guessing we're paying the extra dollar for the packaging, which I necessarily don't mind. Like, I love Rihanna's packaging. Like, I'm loving this geometrical type thing, you know. I just love it. Like, I don't know, I really like it a lot. Yeah, it's sleek, it's clean, it's simple. I like that. So that's good for me. It says 1.7 grams or 0.06 ounces. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much comes in the tube. First off, let me show you guys what colors I got. This is the one that I messed up, but I love that it has her logo on it. It's real cute. Anyways, I got Clapback. What else I got? I got Shawty. I really am feeling Shawty. I can't wait to try that on. I can't wait to swatch it. And then I got Single, which is more so like a pinkish nude color. Y'all know me, I love my nudes. So let me show you how much we get in here. I feel like, I'm sorry, y'all. Oh yes, it's the exact amount. Like, it actually is all. It actually stops down here, so it's okay. For 18 bucks though, I'm a little iffy. It's not bad. It's okay. I mean, I could be a little cheap, but you know, it's Rihanna, so you know she gonna have to put it at a good pricing, so whatever. Please disregard my background. That's Clapback. Like, yo, just look at that. I love it. It's so cute. So, what you call it? One of these Sephora girls advised that I use a liner because it does move, and quite honestly, I can tell it moves. It's super duper creamy, like super creamy. I'm not really sure what that finish is gonna be. I know it said matte, but we'll see, because I'm about to put these on right now. Try on a Single. I don't really want to wear a liner, honestly. I just want to see how it works without a liner. That's just me. It's definitely smooth when going on, but yeah, a liner is definitely needed. Yeah, so this looks so much better with a liner. I am going to take the Sephora ladies' advice next time, like beforehand. It's definitely not I know it's matte, but it's kind of like the MAC matte lipstick. It's more so oil based than strictly like retro matte or color pop matte. Like it still moves. I'm able to move, like it's not gonna completely dry. So as for long wear, I'm not sure if it'll hold up, but it feels like it's getting a little bit drier as I continue to talk and so forth. Definitely when I eat though, I think it would transfer. Yeah, it transfers a little bit, but not bad though. Okay, so next on the list is, what is this? Shawty, which I really like. I'm going to use the MAC lip liner. Yo, this screams fall. This screams everything. Oh my gosh, this lip combo right here is heaven. Yo. I love it. I love Shawty. I knew I was gonna love Shawty from the get-go, but yo, it, oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I don't want to stop putting it on, guys. All right, guys, so I don't have a lip liner for this. I can already see it in my future that it's gonna be a problem, but I'm just gonna try it anyways. I see that this is, well, whatever, let me just be optimistic. This is my out of the blue color, guys. Out of the blue. This is gorgeous. And it feels so soft going on the skin. That's why I honestly keep applying it. I would just say as a caution for like those beginners that like to do this, like move around their lips when they're putting on lipstick. This is not the one to do it with. This is more so the type of lipstick, because definitely moves very easy. I know y'all can see this little part coming out. It definitely moves around very easy when applying it. Just pop them lips. Do the lip down, do the lip down, do the lip dance, do the lip dance, break it down. Boom. Alright guys, so let me give you my overall review on the Mattemoiselle collection by Fenty Beauty. So first off, packaging, y'all already know that is a yay. I love her packaging, honestly. Love the simplicity of it. And it has a, I don't want to say it's rose gold, but whatever. I love the packaging. Definitely sleek. I personally feel like, however, but then again, it is very pigmented, so it's kind of like bittersweet. When you first get it, you're gonna look at it like, wow, is this only it? But the pigment kind of pays off for it looking kind of skinny or small and so forth. So, all right, so it's not that bad. Okay, first off, the colors. The color range, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. The color range is for the bold. It is for the daring, and it is for the confidant. Okay? But it's honestly like, it's really for the confident. The shade ranges that she has and the pigmentation of these lipsticks, like, she did not come to play. So it's definitely for that lady that wants to rock a very bold lip. Even the natural colors. Sorry, my dog just walked in. But even the natural colors are so pigmented that they look better. Personally, for me, they look better with liners, the natural ones. But mind you, and this is, I only had 3 colors. She has an orange one, she has a purple one, she has a lighter blue one than this. I kind of see where she's going with the shades, you know. She's kind of saying, like, you know, most people feel that the different shades are like either too light for their skin or too dark for their skin. But honestly, when anybody comes into MAC, because I work at MAC, they'd be like, oh, do you think this is too light for me? And I'm like, honestly, it's really up to like what you're comfortable with. So I don't ever say no, that's not me. But anyways, I think she did really good on the formula. My lips feel so soft. However, I mean, the only downside is that it will move. It will move. Ooh, look at them thick lips, girl. But it will move. That's the only thing I don't like. But the pigmentation is honestly like A1. A1. Ooh, she should have come out with a black. I don't know if she came out with a black, but girl, you need to come out with a black. That would be so bomb. I'll buy it for me. My favorite one, I never thought I would like the Clapback. Like, y'all let me know in the comments, like, this Clapback is nice. Like, I really like the Clapback. Only one I didn't like that I regret buying is Single. It's a little too light. You're gonna need a liner. I kind of have other matte nudes that can like replace Single, so it's like kind of like a but my number one is definitely Shawty. Like, yo, Shawty, you could get it, dog. No, for real, bro, you could get it. I love Shawty. Shawty is this one, the middle one. I love Shawty and Clapback. I did not think I was gonna like Clapback that much, but I'm in love. I really, really like it. But yeah, it's a yay for me. I'm not gonna lie. Is it a necessity? No. But I think it's worth it for 18 bucks, honestly. Pigmentation, check. Like, yo, the packaging, check, honestly. And the shade range is like, she keeps killing it with the different types of colors and diversity, which I love. You know, so you did it again. You did it again, girl. You did it again, Rihanna. You did it. So yeah, that's all for this video. Y'all make sure y'all like this video, comment, share, and obviously subscribe to my channel. Y'all leave down below any suggestions you might have or any upcoming video ideas y'all may want. I do listen to y'all. I know I'm a little backed up. Forgive me, but hey, it's coming. It's coming. All right. So yeah, that's all for today. Love you guys. See you in my next video.